Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive deep into the secrets of unlocking a wealthy mindset. Imagine how your life could transform and the new opportunities that could open up for you just by shifting your mindset. So what exactly is a wealthy mindset? It's not just about having a lot of money. It's a way of thinking and approaching life that can lead to personal success and financial well-being. Achieving financial success isn't merely about the numbers in your bank account. It requires a profound shift in your mindset. A rich mindset encompasses attitudes, beliefs, and habits that foster wealth accumulation and full independence. By adopting the secrets of the rich mindset, you can transform your approach to money and unlock the potential for lasting financial prosperity. Let's dive into the key principles that define a rich mindset and how you can apply them in your life. The foundation of a rich mindset: positive beliefs about money, abundance mentality. People with a rich mindset believe that there are ample opportunities for wealth creation. They see money as a tool that can be generated and multiplied rather than a scarce resource. Self-worth. They recognize their own value and believe they deserve financial success. This confidence propels them to take actions that align with wealth building. Goal-oriented thinking. Clear goals. Setting specific, measurable, and achievable financial goals is crucial. People with a rich mindset know exactly what they want and create detailed plans to achieve their objectives. Long-term vision. They focus on long-term wealth accumulation rather than short-term gains. This perspective helps them make decisions that support sustainable financial growth. Continuous learning and growth. Education. A rich mindset values financial literacy and continuous learning. Successful individuals invest time and resources into understanding finance, investing, and market trends. Adaptability. They are open to new ideas and willing to adapt their strategies based on changing circumstances and new information. Taking calculated risks. Risk assessment. Wealthy individuals understand the importance of taking risks, but do so after thorough analysis and consideration. They weigh potential rewards against possible downsides. Overcoming fear. They don't let fear paralyze them. Instead, they use it as a motivator to prepare and take informed risks. Resilience and persistence. Overcoming setbacks. People with a rich mindset view failures as learning opportunities. They bounce back from setbacks with renewed determination and refined strategies. Persistence. They are persistent in their pursuit of financial goals. Even when progress seems slow, they stay committed to their vision. Building wealth through financial discipline. Budgeting and saving. Live below your means. A fundamental principle of a rich mindset is to spend less than you earn. This creates a surplus that can be saved and invested. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts to ensure consistent contributions towards your financial goals. Debt management. Avoid high-interest debt. Minimize the use of high-interest debt such as credit cards. If you have existing debt, prioritize paying it off as quickly as possible. Leverage debt wisely. Understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Use debt strategically to invest in assets that generate income or appreciate in value. Smart investing. Diversify investments. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. A diversified portfolio can include stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments. Regular contributions. Make regular contributions to your investment accounts, regardless of market conditions. This approach, known as dollar-cost averaging, can reduce the impact of market volatility. Passive income streams. Real estate investments. Invest in rental properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs, to generate rental income and potential appreciation. Dividend stocks. Purchase shares in companies that pay regular dividends, providing a steady stream of income. Businesses. Create or invest in businesses that generate passive income, such as online businesses, franchises, or royalties from intellectual property. Tax efficiency. Tax-advantaged accounts. Utilize accounts like 401ks, IRAs, and HSAs to reduce your taxable income and benefit from tax-deferred or tax-free growth. Tax planning. Work with a tax professional to develop strategies that minimize your tax liability and maximize your after-tax returns. Cultivating wealth-building habits. Consistent action, daily habits. Develop daily habits that align with your financial goals. This could include reviewing your budget, tracking expenses, or learning about investing. Momentum. Consistent small actions can build momentum and lead to significant progress over time. Networking and relationships. Surround yourself with success. Build relationships with people who have a rich mindset. Their attitudes and behaviors can positively influence your own. Mentorship. Seek mentors who have achieved the financial success you aspire to. Learn from their experiences and advice. Mindfulness and gratitude. Mindfulness practices. Practice mindfulness to stay focused on your goals and make deliberate financial decisions. Gratitude. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for what you have. This mindset can reduce stress and increase your overall happiness, making it easier to stay motivated. Overcoming common mindset barriers. Scarcity mentality. Shift to abundance. Replace thoughts of scarcity with a focus on abundance. Remind yourself that opportunities for wealth creation are limitless. Generosity. Practice generosity by giving to others. This can reinforce the belief that there is enough wealth to go around. Fear of failure. Embrace failure. Understand that failure is a natural part of the journey to success. Learn from your mistakes and use them as stepping stones. Preparation. Mitigate fear by preparing thoroughly. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll feel in taking risks. Comfort zone. Expand your comfort zone. Challenge yourself to step outside your comfort zone regularly. Growth happens when you push beyond your perceived limits. Incremental steps. Take small, manageable steps towards bigger goals. This makes it easier to expand your comfort zone gradually. The power of visualization and affirmations. Visualization. Create a vision board. Use images and words to create a vision board that represents your financial goals. Place it somewhere you'll see it daily to reinforce your aspirations. Mental rehearsal. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your financial success. Imagine achieving your goals and experiencing the associated feelings of accomplishment and security. Affirmations. Positive statements. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your belief in your ability to achieve financial success. For example, I'm capable of building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Consistency. Repeat your affirmations daily. Consistent repetition helps ingrain these beliefs into your subconscious mind. Case study. Transforming to a rich mindset. Let's explore a case study to illustrate the transformation to a rich mindset. Scenario. Individual. John, age 35, works in a corporate job with a decent salary, but struggles with debt and has little savings. Challenges. John has a scarcity mentality, fears taking risks, and often procrastinates on financial decisions. Transformation process. Mindset shift. Education. John begins reading personal finance books and attending financial literacy workshops. He learns about the principles of a rich mindset. Affirmations. John starts using daily affirmations to build his confidence and shift his beliefs about money. Financial discipline. Budgeting. John creates a detailed budget, tracking his income and expenses. He identifies areas where he can cut costs and increase savings. Debt repayment. He prioritizes paying off high-interest debt and creates a plan to become debt-free within 2 years. Investing. Starting small, John begins investing in a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds. He sets up automatic monthly contributions to his investment accounts. Real estate. After gaining some confidence, John invests in a rental property, generating additional income. Networking, mentorship. John seeks out a mentor who has successfully built wealth through real estate. The mentor provides guidance and support, helping John navigate challenges. Professional network. John joins local investment clubs and online communities to connect with like-minded individuals. Personal growth, mindfulness. John practices mindfulness through meditation and journaling, helping him stay focused and make deliberate financial decisions. Gratitude. He maintains a gratitude journal, which shifts his focus from scarcity to abundance. Outcome, financial progress. Within 5 years, John has paid off his debt, built a substantial investment portfolio, and acquired multiple rental properties. Mindset evolution. John now embodies a rich mindset, continually seeking opportunities for growth and viewing financial challenges as opportunities. Unveiling the secrets of a rich mindset reveals that financial success is not solely about money. It's about cultivating the right attitudes, beliefs, and habits. By embracing an abundance mentality, setting clear goals, continuously learning, taking calculated risks, and maintaining financial discipline, you can transform your financial future. Remember, the journey to financial success is unique for each individual. Stay committed to your goals, remain adaptable, and consistently apply the principles of a rich mindset. As you do so, you'll unlock the potential for lasting wealth and financial independence. Share, like, and subscribe to our channel.